In the recently concluded keynote at the Google Cloud event in Las Vegas, Google announced that they are focusing heavily on AI agents for various use cases. AI agents are being developed for customer service, employee assistance, marketing, data analysis, content creation, cybersecurity, coding, e-commerce, and so many more use cases. Google's latest model, Gemini 1.5 Pro, represents a significant breakthrough in the AI race. They gave a detailed presentation about all the AI agents for various use cases. I have just clipped a few from the entire presentation, which might be useful, interesting to the no-code AI tribe like us. So let's check them out.
Our biggest announcements today are focused on generative AI. Customers have quickly gone from experimenting with generative AI, helping it to answer questions, to make AI predictions, and are now building generative AI agents. Agents process multimodal information simultaneously, conversing, reasoning, learning, and making decisions. Agents can connect with other agents and with humans, and they will transform how each of you interact with computing devices, ordering food, and many more. Let's take a look at an example of a customer agent in action.
Let's head over to my favorite store, Symbol Fashion. They just launched a customer agent, and it leverages Gemini and vector search to deliver a seamless shopping experience. So last night, I was watching a video of this band, and I love the keyboard player shirt. So I was thinking, I'd really like to be wearing that shirt tomorrow night. But can I find it in my size and in time to be rocking it at the concert here in Vegas? Find me a checkered shirt like the keyboard player is wearing. I'd like to see prices, where to buy it, and how soon can I be wearing it. I'm gonna include the video. Now, the customer agent is using Gemini's multimodal reasoning to analyze the text and video to identify exactly what I'm looking for. Then, Gemini turns it into a searchable format. How cool is this? It found the checkered shirt I'm looking for, right? And some other great options in no time. Of course, it never fails. They only have 3 left in my size. I don't want to miss out on wearing this shirt, so I'm going to go ahead, give the store a call, and ask them to set it aside for me. I'm so close to having this shirt for the concert. Let's give the store a call.
Hi there. This is the Symbol Fashion customer agent at South Las Vegas Boulevard. Am I speaking with Amanda?
Yes, this is Amanda.
Great. Thanks for reaching out, Amanda. I see you had a session on another device. I've sent you an SMS message with a link to our live chat companion. If you would like to switch to chat, please click the link. How can I help you today?
I'd like to purchase the shirt in my cart with the card I have on file.
Absolutely. I see you're also a Symbol Fashion Rewards member. Looks like you have a 20% off voucher available to use. Would you like to apply it to this purchase?
Yes, please. That would be great.
The shirt you're purchasing goes well with these items, also available for pickup in your preferred size. Would any of these be interesting to you?
Absolutely. Please add the white shirt and the boots to my cart.
Great. Your total is $203.73. Okay to proceed with the card on file?
Yes.
Your purchase is confirmed. Do you need anything else today?
No, I'm all set.
How many times have you heard, should we start with a dock or a deck? Well, we can do a lot better. I'm absolutely thrilled to announce our newest workspace app, Google Vids. Sitting alongside Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Google Vids is an AI-powered video creation app for work. With Gemini in Vids, you have a video writing, production, and editing assistant all in one. Let me show you how simple it is to get started with Vids. Now, after a full week with all of you here at Next, I'm going to want to share a recap video to share all the excitement with my organization. When I open up Vids, Gemini helps me get started. I simply type in a prompt using an existing document for context. Now, based on that prompt, Gemini suggests a narrative outline for the story that I could easily customize and edit. I choose an expressive style and Vids works its magic. Let's see what I get. So wow, just like that, I get the first draft with beautifully designed, fully animated scenes, complete with relevant stock media and music, and even a generated script. I'll be able to add fun videos and photos that I captured this week from my media directly by accessing Google Drive and Google Photos. And even without any video expertise, I can build out scenes like a pro just as easily as I make slides. But it doesn't have to stop there. With Vids, you can personalize your story your way by recording yourself or by using one of our preset voices by Gemini. Beyond Vids, many customers are building agents for their marketing teams, audio and video production teams, and all of the creative people out there who could use a hand. We provide a tremendously powerful platform and stack to build creative agents. First, it takes the best image generation model. Imagen 2.0, our most advanced text-to-image technology, helps businesses create images that match their specific brand requirements. This is now generally available in Vertex AI. Imagine's strong language comprehension and photorealism capabilities.
Ways Gemini for Workspace is helping our customers save time. Let me show you the magic of one example in action. I've been asked to evaluate 2 proposals for a new payroll system. I open up my drive and I see that there are 2 statements of work here, or SOWs, that outline the vendor proposals. Google Drive is AI ready without any additional pre-work, and everything here is protected with our industry-leading security. All I need to do to get started is drag and drop the 2 files over into the Gemini side panel, which is currently in preview. In just a few seconds, Gemini for Workspace will give me an outline of these proposals so that I can have a good idea of what they're about. And I could go even further and ask, compare the price, price of the 2 offers. Each of these documents is over 70 pages. It would have taken me hours to review these docs, but instead Gemini is going to help me find a clean answer to save me a ton of time. And as you can see, I have the answer right here in the Gemini side panel. Let's go ahead and dive into one of these proposals. So I'm going to pick this one. One of the things that you'll notice about Gemini in Docs is that it will proactively show me a summary of this file so that I can get a sense of what's going on without needing to take the time to read the whole thing. But before I proceed with this vendor, I need to ensure that no compliance issues exist. And I'm going to be honest, I have not memorized every rule in our compliance rulebook because it is over 100 pages. I would have to need to scour the 80 pages of this proposal and compare it manually with 100 pages of the rulebook. So instead, in the side panel, I ask, does this offer comply with the following? And I'm going to just mention our compliance rulebook, hit enter, and see what Gemini has to say. Okay, so interesting. Gemini has found an issue because the supplier does not list their security certifications. Because Gemini is grounded in my company's data with source citations to specific files, I can trust this response and start to troubleshoot before selecting a vendor. Gemini for Workspace was terrific in this example, saving me a lot of time without.
Many of our customers are building employee agents to automate workflows that are tedious and repetitive. One of the nation's leading healthcare providers, HCA Healthcare, is using our generative AI technology to help caregivers spend more time with patients and less on paperwork. They're testing Katie. So Katie is a nurse handoff digital assistant, helping to ensure continuity of care when one caregiver's shift ends and another begins. It delivers summaries in everyday language to ensure that caregivers can share information easily and provides them up-to-the-minute patient data to expedite the discharge process.
Hi, folks. So I know you all want to hear about awesome AI stuff that's coming, but I need to talk to you for a minute about my annual benefits enrollment. See, I forgot. I have to finish signing up by today. And as you can see, I might be a little bit busy. So if you don't mind, let's go ahead and look at this open enrollment email together. Okay, yep, I've got a deadline. I knew that, thank you. I've got FSA stuff. I've got an online portal for my company, HR benefit. Okay, there's a lot here. Ooh, they included a video. Let's see if this makes my life easier. And the video is, okay, so it's almost an hour long. Yeah, I'm not gonna have time to review all of this stuff. Let's see how this employee agent that we've developed using Google Workspace, Gemini models, and Vertex AI might be able to help me. As you can see, it's integrated directly into my Google chat, so I don't have to context switch while I'm figuring all this stuff out. First things first, let's have it summarize the email and the video that it sent me. Summarize the body and attached video from my recent email with subject, open enrollment, closing. So behind the scenes, the agent is referencing that email body and its attachments as context in the prompt using retrieval augmented generation. That way, its response is limited to the content that matters to me. The Gemini model's multimodal capabilities allows the agent to understand and reason across text, audio, and video from a single prompt. I mean, this is a way quicker read. Okay, good.
I will also link down below the entire presentation and the source to the blog. So if you are a nerd, you might want to check out the entire presentation where they have shown agents for coding and various other cases. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy some of these videos which are coming here on the screen, and see you in the next video.